You don't always see the problem, but it's there. Like that drip, that spot on the wall, or that room that never cools down. You try to ignore it, but it gets worse. Luckily, you've got us. At Tempo, our certified specialists detect what others miss and fix it cleanly, efficiently, and guaranteed. It's not just about fixing things. It's about giving you peace of mind, waking up to a cool room, turning on the tap without a leak, knowing everything just works. Invisible problems don't stay hidden for long. Not with Tempo.